All right, phenoms, so what's going on? We are now in Hamburg, Germany. Once again, we were here about 2 months ago, and now we're back. So we're getting our rental car, and we're gonna take on the streets. So let's see how this beauty right here rides. We're gonna check it out. Looks good. Looks good. No bumps, nothing. I guess it's ready for me. So looks like an overcast day. We're gonna try and see if we can check into the hotel early and have some fun in Hamburg before we head over to Berlin, I think tomorrow.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Alright guys, so can't make this stuff up. What a beautiful, beautiful hotel. Heading to our room right now. I want to show you guys what it looks like. Left this door open, make it easier. Here's our room. We've got the kitchen here. Small kitchen area. Refrigerator on the bottom. We've got a little desk here. Mirror over there. Another mirror here. Work desk. We're actually in the middle of the city, so if I was to open this, you'd see the city right here. So I'm not gonna waste time with that, but just wanted to kind of show you guys a little bit. You have the bathroom here, and I'm gonna show you guys outside so you can see what this hotel looks like. Classic hotel, beautiful. And this is the bedroom. High ceilings, which we love. So we were here in Hamburg, I want to say about a month ago, maybe a month and a half ago. Actually, 2 months ago. We were here 2 months ago. And we stayed at another really classy hotel. You know, we just want to experience the best when we're here, and the city is beautiful, so you can't go wrong with pretty much any hotel in this area. So guys, I'm in the middle of I'm not really sure what, but I am in Hamburg in city center, and I just happened to stroll into an area filled with restaurants, people. Came out of nowhere. I actually just got out of my hotel, and it looks like a really nice area to walk around, find some restaurants, find some bars, and just kind of walk around like your boy does all the time. So looks like a good area. We're gonna go ahead and explore and see where we end up, because that's what we do. What we do is just walk around and kind of just blend in and melt in and kind of just absorb the environment. So looks like a nice area. We're gonna see right here, we have the bridges, different bridges in the heart of Hamburg, and we're just gonna keep walking and get lost in the town, because that's how we do it. And there's nothing better than to just get lost when you're walking around in a city that you don't know. So we're gonna continue to walk around, experiment, and see where we end up. See if this is worth all the hype. So we're gonna walk around here. We're gonna go to the main road and see if we find a nice place to get a beer, eat a burger. Who knows? Just blend in. All right, so now we're walking down this road here. Not much foot traffic, but it doesn't really matter because we're heading to the main road, which is the important thing, or at least I think I'm heading to the main road. It is getting a little bit darker. It looks like it's about to rain. I hope not, but that's the vibe that we're getting. But all day it's been kind of sunny, it's been raining, it's been a combination of both. So, you know, just make the best out of whichever scenario we get. All right, so we've taken a detour here, and I think we found another area filled with restaurants, bikes, people, and just a combination of things. So just right up our alley, exactly what we were looking for. So let's see if we find something interesting around here, guys. We're gonna keep walking here. We got a green light. We're gonna try and beat this before we got a red light now, so we can't move on because we've got cars crossing. All right, so we just reached another small park here. Not really sure what this is, but we're getting into looks like some stores, some hotels, and just a potpourri of things. So we're gonna wait for this traffic to slow down a bit, and then we're gonna go ahead and cross. All right, so we'll continue walking down the streets here, see what else they have here in this beautiful city. We walked these streets already a couple of months ago, and we're gonna walk them again a little bit differently now, with much better weather now. Overcast, but at the end of the day, I mean, I'll take it over 30-degree cold weather. So let's just keep walking and see what actually pops up as we walk down the streets here. You know, what's funny is I've only been to the city once, and I'm walking around. I'm not using any GPS, anything. I mean, I'm literally just walking, and it's all coming back to me like if I was just here yesterday. It's hilarious. I mean, it's like the body just reacts and remembers you walking down the streets, and I'm literally just walking the streets, just going off of memory. And I'm getting around pretty good because everything is starting to come around, and just sticking in my head. I guess it's stuck in my head the last time I was here, and it's just coming natural now. Just looking at the whole city, even though different ambiance, different weather, different everything, but just coming really natural. Guys, I'm pretty sure you remember this beautiful lake that we saw in a much colder environment. Now we're just walking around, not a single feel of cold, just a perfect day, to be honest with you. Look at this ambiance. Wow, what a beauty. I mean, it almost makes you feel like you can just jump in the lake and just kind of take a swim. With the weather the way it is. I mean, it's not too hot, it's not too cold, it's just about right. Feels almost like California-ish type of weather, but different vibe, different time, same place. A lot more people, obviously, with the weather the way it is. More people outdoors, even though not that it was empty the last time that we came, but just a different ambiance. And I mean, your boy here is really liking it. I mean, I'm just walking the city one more time. Very walkable city, so if you guys do get a chance to come out here, do it. Take a walk. Here you have the different flags. Not really sure what they each stand for. I'll do some digging afterwards, but you can get a really good view from here of the harbor, the city, and just kind of take it all in with the people having their lunch, doing all that stuff. I mean, just a beautiful day in a day like today to kind of just sit back and relax and enjoy what is a beautiful day. And look at the swans. I mean, that was the one thing that I saw last time that I really enjoyed, is all the swans on the lake that embrace the people, because they don't actually they don't shy away. They actually get close to the people. And the last time I was here, I actually was very close to them, and they didn't run away, which was interesting. The swans tended to flock, no pun intended, towards me, so that was an interesting thing. I've been to a couple cities now where swans just they seem to gravitate towards me for one reason or another. Yeah, now we're in the other side where we're just looking at, I mean, just in general, a beautiful sight. I mean, so relaxing, so perplexing at the same time. And then just looking at the clouds, just kind of enjoying the day just going by. But we're gonna take a walk to the other side. Here you have a guy meditating, two people meditating, just not really sure what that's about, but to each their own. I mean, yeah, this is what Germany, this is what Hamburg is all about. So, you know, I mean, who am I to criticize or even talk about what's going on in the city? It's just beautiful. It's a beautiful thing, guys. Let's go take a walk this way and kind of see what's going on over here as the weather starts to make a turn. Now I don't know if it's gonna start pouring down. I really don't know, but I don't want to take any chances being out on the road. You know, so we're gonna go ahead and it's getting a little chillier. Since I said it wasn't that cold, it started getting chilly, so of course I had to jinx it but we're gonna continue to walk this way and see what we come up with as we continue to walk. Right in front of us, we have the Hamburg Rathaus, which is home to Hamburg's government. It is one of the most iconic buildings in the city, and basically a must-see if you're in the area. Huge, beautiful building, still active, obviously, like I said. It houses the government here for Hamburg. And I'm not sure, I can't recall if I covered it the last time I was here. I probably didn't, but since we're here, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at it. Historic building. It's been around for a very, very, very long time. And like I said, a must to see. Just the architecture, what a beauty. If you do get a chance to come to town, do not skip a chance to view this building. Here we get a chance to see it a little bit better from the front. As we get closer to the center, see a lot of people taking pictures in front of the building, kind of just taking it in, but it's really an architectural marvel and a beautiful building in general just to look at. So I mean, you guys, hopefully you guys can see this, and something that I want to capture here and absorb myself, because these are the type of things that could be once in a lifetime. You never know when you'll be back in the city, so you want to make sure that you're able to capture it and enjoy. One of the most visited plazas in Hamburg, actually. This square has a lot of different things that you can look at. In the next building we're going to walk towards another building here, which is a church, which has a history in itself. So as we get closer, we'll get a little bit more detail.